Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create smartwatch numbers using ellipse, rectangle, and gradient shades in Adobe Illustrator. Draw circle 600 by 600 dimensions using ellipse. Align vertically top with the artboard. Draw rectangle 300 by 700 dimensions. Use direct selection tool to pull corner radius. Press shortcut key equals A. Rotate the object with 326 degrees and align with the circle. It should look like number 9. Select each object and apply 2 shaded gradient color. Press shortcut key equals G to change the gradient direction. Play with the gradient to get best result. Select both the objects. Right-click, group them. Align the object vertically and horizontally center with the artboard. Use the same trick for all the rest of the numbers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.